is for like food for YouTube and so on, so I'm just gonna jump straight into the video. Okay, so I am Shamila and my Instagram handle is at shamila.tt, and for the past couple of days I have been putting up these sticker boxes so that people could ask me questions about my hair or hair in general. And the reason why I'm going to start this channel is because a lot of the products and methods that you see used on YouTube, those YouTubers don't really have our climate and humidity to deal with. So a lot of tips and tricks that I learned along the way on my journey, I will be sharing with you guys. I have questions from some of my followers saved on this phone. Guys, I'm so greasy right now. Not even funny. Okay, so I have this question from Tushel1.1. How important is deep conditioning and how often should it be done? So I was not a believer in deep conditioning like last year, and then a friend introduced me to it and it saved my life. So it is important. Probably at first, if your hair is really dry, you can deep condition, steam every week or every other week for at least 2-3 months, and then after that you could just do it like once every 3 weeks or once a month once you get to the stage that you want it to. Next question is from Latoya. How come I could stay curly and hydrated for the next day? I sleep and it's not the same. Girlfriend, silk pillow. You have a few options. You can get a satin bonnet, but that alone doesn't work. So I have like this scarf or this bandana with this silky material, and I just fold it up and like pull back my edges, and then I put the satin bonnet over it, and I sleep on a silk pillow as well. So that is the key. Also, before you tie up, you could spritz your hair with a mix, some water in a spray bottle with conditioner and a little bit of moisturizer and oil in it. Yeah, spray your hair with a little bit of that and a little bit of moisturizer right before you tie it down, before you go to sleep. And don't like tie your hair too tight. You could just like put it all up like this. Most of the times your hair is super moist from the moisture that you're putting in the night before, so you don't have to redo moisture in the next morning. What products do you use on your hair? So guys, everybody is different, but I do recommend the Cream of Nature. I am not sponsored or anything by them. I just find that their entire line just works so well for the humidity in the Caribbean and Trinidad in particular, because it has a certain density in it. It really keeps down the frizz and it doesn't make your hair feel gunky. Indian hemp to seal your hair and castor oil is key, absolute key. So you use your leave-in conditioner, a pudding, moisturizer, something to define the curl, so maybe like a curl activator or something kind of solid but not too puddingy. And then when you piece out your hair or whatever it is that you do, you then put in the castor oil. I use Indian hemp and castor oil to seal my hair, and that's how I get my hair to stay so moisturized. This is day 1. I washed my hair yesterday. Oh, that question, what products do you use in your hair? That was from Kalina_J. Next question from Chuck_nuts. Chuck nuts. What's the fastest way to grow your hair out? I want details and product names. Well, basically the products that I said before. Peppermint oil, absolute key. Like, okay, if you use your shampoo once or twice, you refill it with water and you put peppermint oil, like a healthy amount, and you shake it up, and when you massage in your scalp with that peppermint oil, it does help my hair to grow. Yeah. Plus I tried to chip my hair. I chipped my hair last because I needed a chip 3 days after full moon, and I feel like that really worked. Next question is from Sashel_. Her question is about makeup. she has relaxed hair, so she said she didn't have a question about that. But I do have a tip for people with relaxed hair. When you get new growth, instead of rushing to, relax your hair extremely often, I saw with my mom getting at least 1 or 2 curly products or natural hair products to put in your roots does help. So probably like a shea butter or a cocoa butter or something puddingy you could put in your roots that has grown out, so that will be natural, and that really helps to maintain your natural hair and make it stronger, so that you don't have to relax as often, and then when you do, it's really healthy. This question is from Tiny_321. I just want to know what to use to get my curls more defined and less frizz. It's not so much of the products. I mean, it's a combination of the products and the method that you use. If your hair is really frizzy, I feel like you need to use something more intricate than just doing your moisturizer like this. You probably need to section out into about, depending on how thick your hair is, I do mine in about 8 sections. And each individual section you go through and you moisturize with everything you have. And then you part it out or piece it out, like take small amounts and comb it through and crunch it up. But definitely using something to seal your hair after you finish your moisturizer. That is key to eliminating frizz. I will be posting a video later on about the method that I use that gave me these results. That question about the frizz will be better handled in that, because along with the products you also need a method that suits your hair. Some people shingle, some people actually go through each strand and curl it for a while. For me, when I started my journey, I had to go through and actually get pieces, because my hair, I was accustomed to trying to get my hair straight. That's a whole other story. That's it for today. That's all the questions I'll be answering right now. There's a ton of other questions, but I feel like I'll do it in another video. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Post up on Instagram. Follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of little videos on my status there. And yeah.